sessions. So we will be now having our education part of this everything. Yes. So last session you mentioned, magtagalog na ako. Last session you mentioned na gusto mo mag-understand pa better ng PCOS, ng polyps, and so on and so forth. And you also mentioned na you have fears of like fears na hindi ka magkakaanak, you won't be able to like bear a child in the future or develop yung gaining weight. So ayan, now we will try to make those clear na pwede naman by understanding more on what PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, is and how gaining weight loss can affect fertility. Kasi yun yung parang one of the main na nakikita ko sa online na so ayan, let's read. So understanding PCOS is vital for managing its symptoms effectively. So here are the questions, most like frequent asked questions answered. So what are the common symptoms of PCOS? So the common symptoms of PCOS can include irregular periods, excessive hair growth, acne, and weight gain. Some people with PCOS also experience difficulty with fertility. So yung dito kasi diba, sa female, mas, yung ano niya, mas dumadami yung androgens na napoproduce instead of the estrogens. Kaya nagkakaroon ng hormonal imbalance. So how is PCOS diagnosed? PCOS is typically diagnosed through a combination of medical history, physical examinations, blood tests to measure hormonal level, and ultrasound to check for ovarian cysts, which you have na, diba, plus the, Can PCOS be treated? While there is no cure for PCOS, its symptoms can be managed with lifestyle changes, medication to regulate menstrual cycles and reduce symptoms, and fertility treatments if needed. So, here are some facts about PCOS and infertility. So, PCOS is a leading cause of infertility in women. The hormonal imbalances in PCOS, particularly high androgen levels, can interfere with ovulation, the process of releasing an egg. Irregular periods or the absence of ovulation can make it challenging to conceive. The role of weight gain in PCOS. So, many women with PCOS are overweight or obese. Obesity can worsen PCOS symptoms and negatively impact fertility, and excess weight can contribute to insulin resistance, which is often associated with PCOS and further impairs of ovulation. So, wait, mamaya pa to. Actually, we can go na. Yeah. So, weight management and fertility improvement. So, dito talaga maaano natin, dito tayo magkakaroon ng control. Kasi yung PCOS wala tayong magagawa sa hormonal imbalance. I mean, we can do something through lifestyle. Pero, to improve fertility in the long run, it's better to keep ourselves fit, and yung weight loss na, it can improve the fertility outcomes in women. So, weight loss can help regulate menstrual cycles, restore ovulation, and increase the chances of conception. By improving insulin sensitivity and reducing androgen levels, weight management can create a favorable environment for ovulation and pregnancy. So, when to seek help? So, when to seek help? So, anytime you have concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to healthcare providers. If you are worried of your periods, you're having trouble getting pregnant, baka pa tayo, so hindi ka na din kailangan. But in the future, yes, or suspect you have PCOS or polyps, which you have, you follow up lang anytime. If you have been diagnosed with PCOS or polyps, follow up with your healthcare provider to manage your condition and monitor for any complications. So, specialist referral, your general practitioner may refer you to a specialist, such as a gynecologist or endocrinologist, for further evaluation and treatment. Okay, i-pause muna natin dito kasi I will be sharing a different and also, okay lang if mag-off ka ng
Yes. Mamaya pa, magbabawi pa tayo. Oo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So that's it for our educational session. Thank you for accepting the invitation in the first place and up till now. And as we close our educational session, wala, hindi na ako mukha. Okay lang yan, informal naman to. Yan, thank you so much for listening and I hope you got something from this. So wait lang, meron akong nalimutan i-share. Ayan. Wait, ano asan yan?
So, before everything else, think, well, if you think you can do this alone, just talk to God. You are not alone. You have never been and you will never be. So, and according to the Bible, Matthew 11 verse 29, come to me all you who are weary and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Also from 1 Peter 5 verse 7, to overcome your fear, you must cast all your anxiety to Him because He cares for you. And also from Mark 11 verse 24, therefore I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. So, yung ginawa natin vision board kanina, yung mga plans mo in the future,